holding now is a smartwatch and wireless earbuds combo. And let's take a look right away. The packaging is a bit rough. Due to the combined pair of Bluetooth earbuds, the body is a bit thick and the weight is also a bit heavy. The charging cable. The silicone ear tips. Here are the two wireless Bluetooth in-ear earphones. They're small in size, look nice, and comfortable to wear. The producer says they offer high fidelity and support non-dimensional audio, and sound quality was good in daily my test. The smartwatch have 128 MB onboard memory to let you store over 100 songs, so you can enjoy your music with the smartwatch without carrying your phone anymore when you go out for running, walking, or other outdoor activities. The disc touchscreen measures 1.28 inches, and there are 8 watch faces you can choose to customize the smartwatch. Now let's pair the smartwatch with my iPhone. First, you need to download an app called V-Band. The app interface is in Chinese because I couldn't find the entry to switch the language to English. Smartwatch and the earbuds combo offers insights about your heart rate, calories, steps, sleep, blood oxygen, and much more to help you eat healthier and exercise more. One unique feature is the fever warning. When your body temperature exceeds 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit, the watch will think you might have a fever and send you a warning. Be notified for incoming calls, text messages, social media, and other app notifications on the smartwatch. And you can answer or decline call by simply tapping the outside of either earbuds, but you cannot reply to messages directly on the watch. Here's a watch face library where you can find more watch faces, and you can even use your own pictures as a watch face to bring your personal style to the smartwatch. The smartwatch has a built-in microphone for voice recording. Hello, test, hello. The touch doesn't work smoothly, to be honest.
Hello, test, hello.
The recorded audio seems not good and has crackling noise. To summarize, the appearance design of the smartwatch and earbuds combo is rough. The case is thick, and the touchscreen has ghost touch, but the combined wireless earbuds have nice sound quality, and there are many unique features such as fever alerting, voice recording, local music storage, and more. I personally love it.